Hello kids, Teacher Sasa here, and we are back to our science class. How are you today? I hope you're doing fine, but today we are not going to have our normal class because Teacher Sasa will give you a test regarding our lessons, and let's see how much can you remember during our class. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so I hope you're ready. And if you are, go take out your worksheet and write your name and grade. I repeat, write your name and your grade. And if you are finished, we can start now, okay? So the first one that we are going to do is the part 1, okay? The part 1. And it's about the needs of animals. So what are the needs of our animals? Okay, so the instruction is what do animals need to stay alive? So color the correct answers. One more time. Color the correct answers. Okay, next. So this one, Teacher Sasa will read to you the name of the pictures. And you will color the things that the animals need. Okay? So the first one here is food. One more time, food. Next, moon. Moon. Air. Air. Clothes. Clothes. Do animals need clothes? Shoes. Shoes. Water. Water. Okay, next one is fill in the blanks. One more time. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so what are you going to do is when Teacher Sasa read the question or the sentences, you have to write the answers in these spaces. Got it? Okay, so number 1, animals need blank, blank, and blank to stay alive. Number 2, most animals get blank from the atmosphere for breathing. Number 3, animals need blank to regulate their body temperature. Number 4, blank are animals that eat both plants and other animals. Number 5, blank are animals that eat plants only. Number 6, blank are animals that eat other animals only. Okay, next one. Part 2. Part 2. This one is about the animal groups. Okay? So, this one we have studied at school, and also Teacher Sasa send you the video. Okay? So, the first one is write A, B, or C on the box according to the group which the animal belongs. A is for herbivore. B is for carnivore. And C is for omnivore. Okay, so here we go. So this one, you can write A, B, or C on this box. Okay, so look at the picture and write what does a group of this animal or which group this animal belong. Okay, got it? Next one. Part 3. Part 3. So write the name of the animals on the box below according to the food it eats. Okay? So I will show you the box and the animals and the food that they eat. So the first one is animals that eat plants only. So this is the animal and this is the food that it eats, only plants. Next, animals that eat other animals only. So this animal eats meat of other animals. Next, animals that eat both other animals and plants. So this example of an animal eats both meat, this one, and plants. Okay, let's proceed. So this one is a rat. Write the name of the rat onto the box that is provided. Okay? Next, part 4. Part 4. So where do animals get their water supply? Where do animals get their water supply? You have to match the animals and the supply of the water where they get it from. Okay? So let's see. So we have two sources of water. The first one is from a direct source of water like a river. So animals get the water from here. They drink from the river. Next, food from the food they eat, especially the leaves of the plants. Okay, so here are the animals and you have to match them to the sources. So where do these animals get their water? Is it from a direct source or is it from the food they eat? Next, part 5. Part 5. Circle the animals that breathe through lungs. So this is the animal and this animal have a lung. You have to circle it. Next, cross the animals that breathe through gills. Cross the animals that breathe through gills, like this. You have to get across. Next, so choose your animal and make sure that you circle or you make an X on that animal. Okay, so thank you for listening, and I hope you got it right. Good luck, kids. See you next part of the test. Bye.